welcome to the video. Today we are diving into an exciting and futuristic topic, use of magnetic fields for the propulsion of spacecrafts or in spacecraft propulsion. So that means magnetic fields, we are talking about magnetic fields, how magnetic fields can be used to propel spacecrafts for interplanetary missions or for interstellar missions. Yes, scientists are expecting to travel to nearest stars in the coming future. Okay. Anyway, so let's start. Magnetic fields. Magnetic fields are what? Magnetic fields are invisible magnetic forces. Whenever there is a moving charged particle or magnet, then there is magnetic field. Means magnetic field is generated that way. When charged particles are moving or magnets are moving or magnets are there. So in that case, magnetic fields are generated. So using these magnetic fields, spacecrafts can be propelled. And already similar research is going on, is conducted by NASA as well as ESA. NASA, this is known to you. ESA means European Space Agency. Maybe more research centers are there, that is not known to me. But there is a chance that more research centers are there who are conducting their research work in this field. So let's start with ion thrusters. In the concept of ion thrusters, plasma is created. You know, plasma means charged particles. So here, what is the role played by magnetic field? Here, magnetic fields confine the plasma, and then electric field is used to accelerate the plasma through the exhaust of the spacecraft. Similar to the principle of chemical rockets, exhaust is required because thrust is required. When the plasma comes out with high velocity through the exhaust of the spacecraft, in that case there is the production of thrust. Thrust is produced, and that way spacecraft is propelled in the forward direction. So this concept is known as the ion thrusters, because plasma means ions are there. Next concept is nuclear fusion engines, and in that case magnetic nozzles are used. So in case of nuclear fusion engines, here also plasma is created. Here also plasma is created, but this since this involves nuclear fusion reaction, so temperature is very high, of the order of millions of degrees Celsius or Kelvin. Both are almost same, since the number is so large. Okay, millions of degrees, because it involves nuclear fusion reaction in case of these nuclear fusion engines. So here, what is the role of magnetic fields? Here, magnetic nozzles are used to control and direct the plasma. And one more advantage with these nuclear fusion engines is that combustion of the fuel is not required. In case of chemical rockets, you know that combustion of the fuel is required, but in this case, combustion is not required. So that is the advantage. Next comes magnetic sail, or combined name is Magsail, Magsail, Magsail. This is a single word. So in this concept, Magsail concept, what is done? A loop of superconducting wire is used to create magnetic fields. A loop of superconducting coil is used to create magnetic fields, and these magnetic fields interact with solar wind or interstellar plasma to create thrust, which is necessary for the propulsion of the spacecrafts. So by using such technologies, we can easily travel to nearby planets, or even interstellar travel could become possible one day by using such concepts. There are so many concepts, not only these three. I have discussed only these three concepts here in this video, but there are so many concepts. Later I will post such videos. Okay, but there are so many concepts behind this technology. Aim is interstellar travel. Aim is interplanetary travel. So many planets are there in our solar system, you know this thing. Anyway, so I have discussed only three topics here, or three technologies where magnetic fields, common is what? Magnetic fields. Where magnetic field is used to propel the spacecraft. First was ion thruster concept, next one was nuclear fusion engines, and third and last one was Magsail or magnetic sail. Challenges, yes, challenges are there. What are the challenges? One challenge is that we have to use minimal energy. That is the target of the scientists. We need to use minimal energy for the production of the thrust, or better to say, we need to use minimal energy for the production of the required magnetic fields. Okay, that is one target. So this is a challenge to the scientists, or a challenge to the physicists. Next is since plasma is used. In the first two cases, plasma or ionized gas is used. So if they come in contact with the equipment or the walls which confine them or which contain them, so those things will be damaged. Again, we will lose temperature of the plasma. Okay, so that is challenging. Okay, research is going on, so we can expect in near future we can see such technologies. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic, use of magnetic fields in spacecraft propulsion. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.